Introducing Bokashi food composting by Tanova. And here we have the Bokashi bucket, capacity of 20 litres. Inside this bucket we have a food masher. This is for compacting down your food waste. And then a measuring cup. This is either to apply the bran mix or else to collect the juices from this tap. At the base of the bucket there is a filter tray, and this is to separate the liquids and the solids. In the back here is a small 4.5 litre bucket, and this is to store your bran inside. There you have it. Clean, tidy, concealed, out of sight.